Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rye berries. First, it's important to rinse your rye berries well under cold water to remove any debris. For a quicker cooking time, consider soaking them overnight. This can cut down the cooking duration by about half. Remember, 1 cup of dry rye berries will expand to approximately 3 cups once cooked, so plan accordingly for your meals. For stovetop cooking, the general rule is to combine 1 part rye berries with 3 parts liquid, such as water or vegetable broth, in a pot. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 60 to 90 minutes. You're looking for them to be tender, yet still have a pleasant chewiness. If you're short on time, a pressure cooker is a fantastic option. Use a 1:2 ratio of rye berries to water. Cook them on high pressure for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the cooking time is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally for about 10 minutes before carefully opening the lid. This method significantly speeds up the process. Cooked rye berries are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them warm as a hearty side dish, add them to your favorite salads for extra texture, or incorporate them into soups and stews. For storage, keep any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, you can freeze them for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.